Now we are going to handle one more error. I will come here. This email is already registered, and for this we have given unique as through inside our schema. Now I will click on send again. Now you can see I am having this error. Duplicate key error correction, e-commerce database name dot users. Okay, you can see duplicate key. And what is duplicate key? That is nothing but email. We are having this error message. So what we will do, instead of displaying this kind of error message, we are going to handle this error. And for this, we are having the error code. I will copy this error code E111000, copy. And from this middleware, I'm just going to open error.js. Below this, I will write one comment. I will write duplicate key error. I'm just going to check for the condition. If my error dot code, if it is equal to the number which I have copied, and from here I will remove E. And this is nothing but my error code. Previously, we have checked for cast error, and this is nothing but name of the error, but this number is nothing but this is code of the error. If my error code is equal to this one, then what I will do, I'm just going to access whichever field is duplicate. I'm going to access the field and I will be displaying the message. So inside this, I will be creating one variable. I will give the variable name as message. Here, I will be writing this. I want to display the error message like this email already exists. So here, I have to give which field is duplicate and I have to access that field. So here, I will write dollar. From this error, I'm just going to access this key value. Now let us see what happens when we use this key value. I will write this key value or this email already exists or already registered. Please log in to continue. And below this, I'm just going to create the instance. For that, I'm just going to use this handle error. Inside this, first I will be passing message and then I will be passing status code. Status code, I will be passing 400. Now see what happens. Remove this. I will click on send. Now I am having this object already exists. Please log in to continue. So using this, I am able to access the object. Now from that object, I only have to access the keys. So here, this entire thing, I will be wrapping inside parenthesis. And here, I will be writing my object dot. I will be writing these keys. Using this, now I will be able to access the keys. Let me show the error. Now I will click on send. Now I will have this email already registered. Please log in to continue. Whatever key is duplicate, that key I am going to access from this error key value. And after that, I'm just going to show this error message. And using this instance, we are passing the message as well as we are passing the status code. And accordingly, we are sending the response which success as false and message to be whatever message we have given in our code. And also here, our status code will be displayed.